If you're tuning in, I know you have the same problem I did, and that was I had nowhere to put my banana when I wasn't holding it in my 5th generation 4Runner. Well, Victory 4x4, we have a solution. This is our center console MOLLE panel. It allows you to mount your tactical gear or flashlights or other essential things that you want to have keep it from running underneath your seat or storing in your glove box or in your center console. That way it's organized, keeps it around, and you have quick access to your banana anytime you may need that banana. Let me show you how to install them. When you open your package, you're going to have 2 panels. They're identical, one for the passenger side, one for the driver's side. You can pick which one you want to go on each side. You're also going to have this bolt pack. And what we're going to have in here is there's going to be 8 plastic spacers and 8 screws, 4 and 4 per side. Now, we use this hardware pack for several different center console MOLLE panels, so there's actually more spacers than what you need. We're only going to be using 3 spacers on each side because of the way that the center console bows right here. Okay, so you're going to want to make sure your seat is all the way back, and then you're going to want to be able to mark your holes. You can use a Sharpie. I like to use a pick, and the reason I use a pick is I actually don't have to drill because I can actually puncture the plastic all the way through. So I'm going to put this up into place. I'm going to end the point of this logo on that seam right there, and then I'm going to line it up with the top here, and then I'm going to go ahead and mark my holes. Okay, so now I have all my holes marked, and now you can do 2 different things here. You can puncture it like I'm going to do with this, or you can use a drill bit, and you're going to be using an 1/8 inch drill bit. What you want is you want it to be nominally sized smaller than the screw, so the screw can actually bite in when we go to install it. So anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and find my spot, and I'm just going to press and twist it a little bit, punch a hole. I'm going to do that all the way across here on all 4 holes. Okay, so we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, which I have here. Like I said, we're going to use these 3 spacers and 4 screws. The spacers are going to go here, 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 but not here. So this one up here is not going to get a spacer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this screw in first so the panel can hang up out of the way. And I'm just going to thread this in. Nothing crazy. Like so. All right, so now the panel will kind of hang into place, and I'm going to work on the back because the spacers to get in are a little easier to get in the back first before the front. So what I'm going to do is just put a spacer here and a screw through there, and then line it up with the hole that I punched, drilled, however you handled it, and just go ahead and get that started. Don't worry about tightening it up. Next, I'm going to fish the screw and the spacer in down below. Now we're going to use one more spacer up here and a screw. I have all 4 screws started. Now I'm going to go ahead and tighten them up. You don't want to go crazy, you just want to snug them up. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, same install on the other side, and you are done. So that wraps up the installation. As you see, it was super easy to install. Shouldn't take you more than an hour, and before you know it, you'll have a great spot to store your banana in a very secure location, as well as some other stuff and some other cool things. But anyways, if you have any questions, reach out to us, info@victory4x4.com, or call us at 269-353-1184. We'd love to get you set up with a banana holding MOLLE panel.